Hi everyone, this is Charo. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below. Right now, I am wearing this blouse, this white blouse, and I will make it off shoulder. The first procedure is I need to measure the shoulder. So I'm going to measure here. Straight to the shoulder, and then cut the line. I'm going to sew the edge. After sewing the edge, I'm going to fold like this. Using this elastic, I'm going to insert inside the hole. This is the outcome of my work. It turns off shoulder, and I will show you at the back. Completely off shoulder. I more like it now because it looks more younger, the dress, compared the old style. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below. And this is Charo, and I will see you on my next video. See you. Bye.